Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, LED headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.